guys, and welcome back to my kitchen here in the UK, where today I'm going to be cooking something really special. It's called a chicken souvlaki. It's special to me because it reminds me of my holidays on the Greek islands with my family. It's very delicious, very easy, and at the end I serve it up with a bit of bread, some crispy salad, and of course tzatziki sauce, which I'll be leaving a link to down the bottom in the description. Don't forget, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and without further ado, let's crack on and I'll show you how we do it. Here I have 2 whole chicken breasts that have been cut up into bite-sized pieces. We're going to need the juice of 1 whole lemon. We're going to need 2 tablespoons full of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and some finely chopped up garlic. To finish off, about ½ teaspoon of salt. We start with the marinade. Take a large bowl, and into the bowl we pour out olive oil, followed by our lemon juice, then our oregano, our salt, then of course our garlic. We pop that all in, it's all been nice and finely chopped, and last but not least we're going to put in our chicken pieces into that lovely mixture. Give this all a really good mix together so the chicken's covered. Then cover it over with cling film, and we're going to leave this for at least 2 hours. I mean, ideally you could leave it overnight. Now it's time to skewer up these lovely chicken pieces. I'm just going to use the chicken, but it's always a choice of yours. You can put some mushrooms on there, you could put some tomatoes on there, you could put some courgette on there. You could chop and change it all about, just to whatever you fancy really. Anyway, pop these on, and when they're all done, they're ready to cook. Now, you can put these in a pan, cook them in a pan, cook them in a griddle. I prefer them on a barbecue or something like this, because you're going to get that added flavour of that charred effect that you can see on these skewers of chicken here. And when the chicken is cooked right the way through, I mean right the way through, then it's ready to plate up. And I'm going to serve mine up with a really fresh and crispy salad, and of course a pita bread and tzatziki sauce. The link for the sauce is down below in the description. Thank you so much for watching this latest video of mine. Hope you love this recipe, try it for yourself, and while you're at it, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all again next time. So it's bye from me, and bye from my souvlaki chicken.